Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect an Apple Watch Ultra to an Android phone. While the Apple Watch is primarily designed for seamless integration within the Apple ecosystem, many users wonder about cross-platform compatibility. We'll explore the current landscape and what you can realistically expect when trying to bridge these two distinct mobile worlds. It's a common question, and understanding the limitations is key. The main challenge lies in the fundamental design of both platforms. Apple Watch relies heavily on Apple's proprietary communication protocols and services, which are deeply integrated with iOS. Android, on the other hand, does not natively support these specific technologies. This means that without the necessary software bridges, many core functionalities, from receiving notifications to syncing health data, simply cannot operate as intended. While there isn't an official way to connect, some users explore unofficial workarounds. These often involve third-party applications or complex configurations that attempt to mimic an iOS connection. However, it's crucial to understand that these methods typically offer very limited functionality, are not officially supported, and may not be stable. Essential features like cellular connectivity, Apple Pay, or comprehensive health tracking will likely not function. Ultimately, for the best and most complete experience with an Apple Watch Ultra, an iPhone is essential. If your primary device is an Android phone, we highly recommend exploring the excellent range of smartwatches specifically designed for the Android ecosystem. These devices offer full compatibility and a rich feature set tailored to your phone. Always consider your main mobile device before making a smartwatch purchase.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.